All right, welcome back to another YouTube video. I've not done a YouTube video in a tremendously long time. And in this one, what I wanted to kind of kick things off with is a house tour. I recently moved apartments. This apartment right now that I'm in, it's around $1.3 million. I don't own it, all right? I don't own it, I rent. I currently pay $825 a week. That's Australian dollars as well, so it's really cheap for what it is. So I wanted to do a house tour, and I also wanted to kind of talk about where I've been, what I've been doing, and kind of like what my plans are with the channel moving forward and whatnot. So this apartment is it's 2-bed, 2-bathroom. So the first bedroom right here is the office. So this is like classed as like the second bedroom. But this is exactly where I work right here. You can see there's like nothing on there, super minimal. And then that's the view from the office. So it's where we're based right now, where the apartment is, in the heart of Perth City, which is why, bathroom right here, which is why it's 1.3 million for a 2-bed, 2-bath, which is quite expensive for, at least for Perth real estate. It's quite expensive, but I mean, look, you can see right here, this is like the kitchen and whatnot, and you can see the city is right there. So bathroom number 2 right here, they're relatively small as well. I mean, they're not the biggest, but yeah, recently moved into here. And the reason I moved, because right now I'm actually paying rent on 2 places, but the other place that I had, it's kind of like more on the beach, but like the building and whatnot, it's just not, it wasn't a good place to live. The reason I moved to here is because my work output, I mean, that's the view right there, right? Like my work, my focus, it's so much higher. And I'm actually a huge like advocate of that, because it's massively increased my focus, having an amazing view for work and whatnot, having a really nice building to be living in. For me at least, it's increased my happiness a lot, and it's increased my focus a lot, because I mean, you know, I wake up at 4 a.m. every day. Some mornings now I've been trying at 3 a.m. I'm like, nobody's up, the city is just lights, it's pitch black, and nobody's awake. It's really, really nice. Anyway, back to the apartments. So this is the office, bathroom in there, which is really good for like when I'm working and whatnot. I can just shut this door into the room, and then I've got like a bathroom there, like everything is just in here, so it's just, you know, nice and efficient. And as I say, you walk out here, that's the front door. As you walk into here, you've got the kitchen, the kind of like dining room area, and then like the couch, and like this obviously amazing view right here. It's pretty nice. And then I've got a TV there that I bought just for the UFC. That's the only reason I bought that. I don't watch any other TV. And then we've got the master bedroom right here, which is relatively big, I suppose you could say. And there's nothing in it apart from my bed, which is, I don't know if it's a king or a super king or something, and then I'll end up putting that up on the wall there as well. But what's super nice here is the view from the bedroom. You can see it's pretty nice. And then you've also got this view as well, which is kind of dope. So yeah, I mean, that's basically the apartment. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath, and that's really it. And then as I say, you've got like this room right here, which is very nice too. It came unfurnished, so I had to furnish it, which was quite expensive. But I got like nice stuff, so stuff that, you know, you can take to other houses and it will still be very nice. It's not just for this place. Now, you know, I want to talk about kind of like where I've been as well. I've not posted on YouTube in forever. I've been really not that focused on marketing recently, you know, for Scale Clients.io. So for those of you who don't know, we recently created Scale Clients.io, which is basically a coaching business that helps 10 to 50K a month agency owners and coaches scale. It's kind of like where we're at right now, which is around a 200K a month. You know, we help them scale through installing sales teams, finding product market fit, and a wide array of other stuff. We've got 2 coaches on board who help our customers. We currently hold like 4 coaching calls a week right now. That's going to be on to 5 coaching calls a week. We offer one-on-one, so like all of our customers work directly with myself and my team through Slack. And you know, we've really just been a huge building phase recently. Like we've just been building, right? Like that's all I've been focusing on, that's all I've been doing. But and because of that, I've really neglected YouTube, which is what I want to come back for now, because I love creating videos. I mean, I created a video every other day for, I don't know, like 2 years, I think, maybe a year and a half when I started YouTube, and I loved it. And you know, people found so much value in it. I was, you know, doing super useful videos, and people, you know, saying like this is so much more valuable than like paid courses that they're in and whatnot, which is crazy. And so I want to continue doing it. So I suppose you could call this my, so yeah, as I say, I suppose you could call it like my coming back video. And I've just really been in like focus mode a lot recently in terms of like the back end, like building. I've not been really liking being on the front end, on like camera and marketing on the front end and whatnot. I've just not been enjoying it, which is hence why I've not been doing YouTube. And but now I'm back. I really want to start, as I say, creating again, creating useful content again, and just being of value wherever possible, right? So let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do any specific videos. I've got a couple banger trainings coming out, by the way, like real banger trainings on like offer creation. There's another one on basically directly booking more calls and signing more clients into our coaching business through leveraging marketing and sales and like the relationship between the two. We've got some bangers coming out, but if you want some specifics, please let me know in the comment section below what you want to see specifically, and I'll definitely help out and create some useful content around that. The goal, as always, has been with this channel to basically create more valuable content for free than people charge for. That's really the goal, because now with Scale Clients.io as well, like I can give a lot of content away for free, because Scale Clients.io, we've now got a done for you offer that we're bringing out. So it's not just a course based business anymore, it's actually a done for you based business now. So I mean, really, customers don't really pay us for the course content specifically, they'll be paying us for the done for you aspect to it. So the course content, I'm more than happy to give away for free. Not directly the course content, but like the ideas, and I'm happy to give away a lot for free is my point. So let me know down below what it is that you're struggling with most right now specifically. A lot of the time people struggle with client acquisition. Like that's usually like most people's biggest issue. So if that's the case and you want to see more of that, would be more than happy to do it. Also, if you want to see team building stuff, sales team stuff, because last time when I was creating videos and whatnot, I hadn't created any sales teams. I didn't have any closers, didn't have any setters, but now, we've been having some of our biggest months recently in the business, and I've not been doing any YouTube, I've not been doing much marketing really, apart from like a bit of nurture on Instagram, yet we've been having our biggest months. It's like, how is that? Well, it's simply because we've got a savage sales team right now, and that's both on obviously closer side of things, but then also on the setting side of things as well, right? Like our setters are absolutely savages, like crazy, right? So if you want some content on that and training on that, as I say, we've been having some of our biggest months and we've not been doing any top of funnel stuff, right? We've been getting no new people into our funnel, yet we've been crushing it. So it's like, how does that happen? Well, it's because we're nurturing what's already there, and we're basically doing outbound based on what we've already got access to. That's just purely through our setters. I built some crazy powerful internal trainings and whatnot for the team. So it's kind of dope. If you want to see some stuff on that, let me know. But yeah, this is the apartment. As I say, it's a 2-bed, 2-bath, 1.3 million, pretty nice. And I pay $825 a week for it if you're curious. Very cheap, as I say, for where you're at. I mean, that's the view from the office, right? Like where I sit right here. It's very nice, very nice. So as I said, like the video if you want to see more of me doing stuff like this. I bought a new phone today just for this, because apparently I heard that this iPhone 13s have this cinematic mode, which is actually a really good camera. I bought this just for YouTube videos. I've got nothing else on this phone other than the camera, just so I can record on here. So I can record more videos like this, kind of just like walking around, talking shit like I normally do. So let me know what you want to see specifically. And with that being said, it's good to be back, and I'll see you in the next one.